Okay, so this is Canva, and I'm just in my regular Canva account. If you don't know, you can get an educator license to this, which gives you like all the pro access, which is really nice. But anyway, so what you're going to do to make an announcement that you can embed into Blackboard is go right here to custom size, and you're going to put in 900 by 300, and then hit create new design. And then it's going to bring up the rectangle that's going to fit into that announcements box. I usually scroll through and kind of find a template that I can make work, with a little bit of editing or whatever. And you can even, like I could put in school and then it'll come with some school ones. I like having boxes that have space for like if I have different schedules for my Y kids or my B kids or whatever it is. But you can do whatever works for you. I'll show you some of the ones that I've done in the past. I've got just a Y class right now, so this one's a little more simplistic. I've just got my Y schedule over here, and then this is where I put the changing information each week or little tips for them, or I might include links because you can embed links in here. You can have moving parts, so you can have like an arrow that bounces around to kind of check their or get their attention. So there's a lot that you can do with it. So let's say that you're finished creating your little announcement. What you're going to go do is go up to share, and then you're going to go to more. And then right here is embed. When you click on that, it brings up two different embedding codes. You want to do this first one, which you'll just hit copy on that. And then when you come back over into your, let me find mine here real quick. When you come back into your class, or I should have that open, then all you do is you're going to go to build content item, give your announcement a name, and that'll just stay the whole time unless you change it. So I just put like weekly announcement or whatever. And then down here, you're just going to click on the two little carrots, which is going to take you to source code. And then you simply paste that whole thing. I like to delete this little bit right here because I don't really need my name on there or anything. It's up to you. And then when you hit save, it'll paste that announcement in there, and you'll hit submit. From then on, anytime you want to edit it, you never have to touch this announcement. You can do everything from Canva. So it makes it really easy. As soon as you update this, it's going to show in your Blackboard announcement. So that's how I do it. Obviously, that's up to you. It's similar to the Google Slides thing. I just feel like you have a little more flexibility and you can kind of play with the designs a lot more. There's a lot more elements you can use and make it a little fun. All right, let me know if you have questions.